Did you know that Tesla is going to sell electricity directly to customers in Texas? This is according to an application filed by Tesla through the Public Utility Commission in August of 2021. The application comes after the company began constructing a giant battery factory in Angleton, Texas. With the factory, Tesla aims to connect a mind-blowing 100 megawatt energy storage system to the grid. This application was filed by a Tesla subsidiary known as Tesla Energy Ventures. In the last few years, Tesla has been constructing multiple utility-scale energy storage systems all over the world, including one in Monterey, California, one in eastern Los Angeles, one in Adelaide, South Australia, and one in Geelong, Victoria. But Tesla hasn't functioned as a retail electricity provider all these years. Instead, they've been assisting other companies to boost their energy generation, storage, and consumption. Now, that's all about to change. You'll even hear Tesla investors saying that this company is more than an electric vehicle producer. It's an energy company. So why is Tesla moving in this direction? Well, in February of this year, millions of residents in Texas were left without water and power for several days after a cold snap hit the region. Some officials in the region initially blamed the lack of backup renewable energy on the fact that a majority of the state's power is produced mainly from fossil fuels. After all, Texas is an oil state. After investigations were carried out, it was later revealed that regulators and state lawmakers had ignored tough requirements to correct any mistakes with the Texas electric grid. What took place next was several blackouts, and so experts opted to push for weatherproofing facilities and turbines to generate power with the correct insulation and heaters available. As you probably know by now, the Texas electric grid is isolated from the rest of the United States. So, the diverting of power from other states has not been an option to relieve Texas residents. In fact, the Texas grid is currently managed by the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, or ERCOT, a statewide nonprofit group that regulates electricity to more than 25 million households in Texas. Once the blackout crisis in Texas took place, Musk was so disappointed with the ERCOT board that he tweeted, "@ERCOT ISO is not earning that R," in reference to the fact that the company was not serving Texans reliably. But he also saw an opportunity for Tesla. Okay, so Musk himself isn't listed on any of the applications to the Public Utility Commission by Tesla Energy Ventures. There has to be a limit to how many ventures he can personally oversee after all. But he did choose one of his closest associates to be president for this subsidiary, Anna Stewart, Tesla's Director of Regulatory Credit Trading. Stewart has played a critical role in helping Tesla grow and increase the company's net to over $3.8 billion from regulatory credits since 2017. If the company eventually gains approval as a retail electric provider in Texas, Tesla's energy sector will use employees from the Tesla Energy division to increase sales and provide enhanced customer service in the state. Tesla's application also mentions that the company will work with NG Energy Marketing to push for marketing and schedule energy distribution. This isn't the first time that Elon Musk's Tesla has been making bold claims about expanding its solar energy division. In fact, their claims have everything to do with the solar sector's fast-paced growth, which is currently improving at a mind-blowing 20.5% market growth every year, and will continue to expand in the same manner for the next 5 to 8 years. From these predictions, Musk is confident that Tesla will be able to gain traction and regain footing once more as the biggest supplier of solar installations and products in the world. While the company might be preoccupied with several projects as of now, Elon believes that the solar industry is where Tesla will achieve its greatest incentives because of how fast the industry is expanding. The company is coming back with a bang to the solar industry with innovative solar products and features. Tesla's solar division is also strongly connected to its energy storage division, which is mainly spearheaded by its groundbreaking product, the Tesla Megapack. This gigantic battery pack is used by several utility companies to store and resell energy. As mentioned earlier, Tesla has been working hard behind the scenes on its mega battery project in Angleton, Texas, which will see the company deploy over 100 megawatt hours of energy storage. If successful, it will generate sufficient power for 20,000 homes. In fact, according to financial calculations, each megawatt of energy costs roughly around $300,000, which means that a project of this magnitude could see Tesla spend about $30 million to see it through. However, if the project proves successful, this could see Texas avoid several rolling blackouts caused by bitter winter storms and other bouts of bad weather. The Megapack will solve these issues by providing stored energy as an alternative backup for natural disasters. The Megapack will also generate tons of income for companies such as ERCOT through the engagement of the Tesla proprietary energy trading program known as AutoBidder. So how will this service work? Well, AutoBidder works as a real-time trading and controlling platform for Tesla's energy assets. These include features such as Tesla Megapacks, Powerwalls, and Powerpacks. These products will be optimized via machine learning to enhance their utility and profitability. In other words, AutoBidder allows consumers to autonomously sell their energy to utility companies. This isn't worth that much during normal conditions, but if there is a power outage, the price of energy can explode, which would give people the opportunity to make huge amounts of money. And it would allow people with no power to keep their lights on. It's a win-win for everyone. AutoBidder was first launched last year, and according to estimates, has more than 1.2 gigawatt hours of energy currently under storage management. The company's AutoBidder application is even looking to hire stock traders for energy assets, who, according to the job posting, will do the following work. We are looking for a senior energy trading analyst to drive continual performance improvements of the largest fleet of battery storage projects in the world. Using Tesla's in-house automated trading platform, AutoBidder, you will be responsible for bidding batteries into multiple wholesale energy markets, ensuring the assets meet contractual obligations and complying with market rules. As Tesla increases its energy assets, AutoBidder is becoming an increasingly vital feature for the company. Tesla has also been working hard to complete its first in-house virtual power plant through the use of its Powerwalls in California. The object here by the company is to become a decentralized electric utility company through the use of this business model. Now, if you're still skeptical that Tesla's energy storage division isn't about to explode, then you have to see more of the projects that the company plans to carry out in the near future. According to Tesla's projections, they're looking to outdo their competitors and grow the energy industry by increasing competitive pricing and reducing the duration required to install solar panels, specifically the Tesla solar panel. Tesla has also improved greatly on its solar roof, which is a proprietary roof crafted from several Tesla solar panels, as well as the Tesla Powerwall. The Tesla Powerwall is also the company's energy storage system, which has the ability to store energy for an entire day. As soon as these products and setups are available to the market, Tesla is confident that it will lead the pack in terms of solar solutions by the end of 2021. Earlier this year, for example, Tesla even revamped its solar panel that was released in mid-2020 to make it more efficient. The new solar panel was tested and found to have 10 times the power of the previous version, not to mention being 25% cheaper. The company further introduced a price match guarantee that puts their prices much lower than the competition, which means that these innovative changes could expand the company's solar division extensively. Tesla is also making significant developments with its solar roof. They've been working around the clock to try out new designs and introduce new prime colors. The colors that were being tested include smooth glass, textured glass, Tuscany glass, and state glass. Presently, textured glass is Tesla's most available solar roof option in the market. However, with the testing site now believed to be operational in Fremont, there is a possibility that other styles will be released soon. The main objective of this project is for Tesla to disrupt the roofing industry and ensure that its solar roof dominates the market. While this is by all means impressive, it's but a fraction of the monumental growth that the company has recently received from its energy storage business in the fourth quarter of 2020. In fact, the company's solar products have increased by over 200% every year and 100% every quarter. This growth can be greatly attributed to the popularity of the Tesla Megapack, which is being labeled as the future of energy storage. For now, Tesla is looking to capitalize on the trillions of dollars in bonds currently circulating in the energy industry, especially when dealing with enhancing its infrastructure, which will almost certainly transform the world and how we consume energy. If Tesla manages to complete this project in Texas, it will become the largest solar energy firm in the world. The question is, does Tesla have the capability to pull off such an ambitious project? Let us know in the comments section down below.